Most people think it's strange that I wear headphones all the time. Maybe they think I wear like music or something, or that I'm just weird. What they don't know is I have autism. What they may also not know is that these noise reduction headphones are my lifeline. I need to wear these headphones, otherwise, well, it'll be better just to show you. As you can see, my experience of the world is very different to yours. I see, hear, and feel things differently to you. My headphones allow me to be free, to do anything I want, just like you. What you may see is just my autism, but on the inside, it is a world filled with abilities and strengths. I'm a human calculator. I can solve math problems in my head faster than you can on paper. I'm a great artist. I capture details you can't even see. I have created strong bonds with other kids inside and outside of school. Autism. Ability, not disability.